Since it first came into being, music has been used to communicate and to connect, and for many years, musicians have been using their art to help educate and inspire people. Beginning in the 1960s, Fela Anikulapo Kuti pioneered his own unique style of music called Afrobeat. His music came at a heavy cost. Fela was arrested 200 times and endured numerous beatings, but continued to write political lyrics, producing 50 albums before he died on August 2, 1997, in Lagos, Nigeria. Musician and political activist Fela Anikulapo Kuti was outspoken against the Nigerian military juntas, which were dictatorships led by Nigerian Armed Forces, and made many songs opposing them. In 1976 he recorded Zombie, a protest song that criticizes Nigeria's oppressive military regime. Fela Kuti was born Olufela Olusegun Oludotun Ransome-Kuti on October 15, 1938, in Abeokuta, Nigeria. Kuti was the son of a Protestant minister, Reverend Ransome-Kuti. His mother, Funmilayo, was a political activist. With his music he spoke against the sufferings and pains of the common man. He is a true African hero.